Hello viewer, in this Photoshop editing tutorial we have that image. To edit it, make a selection around it. So we have selected it. Make a layer via cut. Here are the options for adjustment. Go for the exposure, offset, gamma rays. So for more we will apply the layer style on that selected area. So make it okay. And here are the filters. It's a lens correction. We have made it. For more filters, we will go to the filter gallery. Apply all the filters. So here is the distort we have used for it, using liquefaction on that area. So that it is.